We got London on the train.
Oh! Factory intercooler is too small. Heat soak is so bad, but we got to get that out of there. The intercooler, why it's bubble wrap, don't ask me. I just wanted to make sure it didn't get any cracks or bends.
Hey.
Damn. Take it was a little faster.
My eyes are watering.
What is up, YouTube? Today we're doing an intercooler install on this magnificent piece of machinery right there. Magnificent piece of machinery. Bro, it is one of the best bang for buck cars if you were chasing power.
You sure about that?
How much
Absolutely.
power? How is better than a G80?
Definitely not.
So if it's not better than a G80, what?
So factory intercooler is too small, so heat soaks constantly, especially when you're full bolt on without an intercooler. So what we got right here,
What?
we got the intercooler. Why it's bubble wrap, don't ask me. I just wanted to make sure it didn't get any cracks or bends in it. And we got charge pipes and other miscellaneous parts in there.
Miscellaneous parts.
Oh, you're using your made up names.
Indeed. So
What are we working on here? This is a 2016.
yes, sir.
2016.
Yes, sir. So we got this 2016 Audi S3 catless downpipe intake turbo inlet, tuned by Kalam at Russell Road and Racing. Killer for the money, performs great so far, but the heat soak is so bad. But we got to get that out of there, which is what we're doing today.
All right, so let's rip this thing apart and get straight into the video.
Let's do it.
Let's go. You can get you one.
That bumper.
They've been working on the grill here, swapping it out.
The grill's not falling out like that.
And over here, chopping away at the intercooler. We got the old garbage out. Actually, we need to support this. Hold on.
Other than that, it looks like we're doing pretty good on time.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, what time is it?
One grommet was not being the funnest to play with, but other than that,
We've only been working for an hour.
we're cooking. Over halfway done.
Because I got here at 7:45. It's 8:45 now. It's been like
Been an hour.
It's only 8:45.
Mm-hmm.
We
8:44.
could- All right, let's hurry up and swap this guy out so we can get out of here. Man, the job is done. The car is back together.
So basically, I was playing assistant because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. And typically, whenever I work on my own car, I tend to break items, which is why I pay my friends to do it. Or if they're willing to take unpaid labor, that is greatly appreciated as well. In this case, this is a paid job, which I don't mind. Miles knows what he's doing, guys. Get with Miles for your side job work. But the intercooler is done. We swapped the grill over. We didn't do the tiny small grills because I wasn't finna rip the rest of the front bumper off, but we're already looking a lot better because the grill is on. Everything is back together. We got a new charge pipe from the intercooler to the throttle body. The discharge pipe is currently in that box over there, but it's probably not going on because when the other turbo goes on, it's not gonna be compatible. But as of right now, we are full bolt on and we're ready to go. And now, I believe it is almost time for you know what?
Audi. The brake. This is what the. Bro, just open the door, dude.
I think we're chilling, guys.
Did it sound like that before?
Honestly.
It's gonna sound deeper when you do it intercooler because there's more air going through.
What's your oil temps?
Bro, I just ordered the cord.
So I take it was a little faster.
My eyes are watering. Dude, I don't have a salty chance in hell of keeping up with his boy. There's no way.
Sneak.
There's no way.
So how's it feel? Does it feel good, bro?
Hell yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude, it's
Oh
that.
yeah.
That.
I fuck with that. I fuck with that. That's some good shit.
That
Let's
car
go.
moves. That car moves.
All right, we good.
Yeah, bro. It rolls out now.